A silver alert has been issued for Phoenix PD. This is the Arizona Department of Public Safety. Phoenix PD is looking for Jason Frost, 18 years old, 5 feet 02 inches, 100 pounds, brown hair and brown eyes. Jason was last seen wearing a multicolored Scooby-Doo hooded sweatshirt, tan pants, gray and black shoes with white soles. Jason left the area of Thunderbird Road and I-17, in Phoenix, on foot. Jason has autism and does not know his address or phone number. If you see Jason, please contact Phoenix PD. If you have contact with the silver alert, please call 911. Monitor TV and radio for updates.